Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al-Munir High School e-learning system. Yes class, today we have singular and plural. Nouns, singular and plural. Singular and plural. A singular noun names of one person, place, thing और आइडिया. सिंगुलर नाउन मतलब एक नाउन. नेम ऑफ वन पर्सन एक शख्स का नाम, प्लेस जगह, थिंग किसी चीज और आइडिया. वन कैट, वन स्टोर, वन आइटम. These are singular nouns. A plural noun names two or more persons, places, things or ideas. Plural means jama. Names of more than one, two or more persons are plural nouns. Places, things and ideas. 2 cats, 4 stores, 15 items. Just one singular. What is singular? Singular, just one person. First person I or me. Second person you. And third person is he, she or him and her. He, she or him and her. And the plural are more than one person. Singular are only one person and plural are more than one person. So first person we and our, we or us. Second person you. Third person they or them. So these are plural. So plural are more than one person. Singular is just one person and the plural more than one person. Rules for plural nouns. Most nouns add s to form plural. Nouns that end with sh, ch, x, z or s add es. The words which are the nouns which are ended with sh, ch, x, z or s added es. Plural noun. First we have one apple, so it is apple, apple, and make it plural. Here we have more than one apple, so these are plurals. So apples, we just add s to form plural with apple. Tree, trees. Tree, trees. Write tree here and add s to make it plural. Apple, apples. Tree, trees. Most words add s to make the plural. One apple, two apples. Book, books. Pen, pens. This is the rule number 1. Shop, shops. Train, trains. Name, names. Friend, friends. You can see we are just adding s with the noun to make it plural. Cow, cows. House, houses. Shop, shops. Ear, ears. Cup, cups. Desk, desks. Window, windows. Cat, cats. Snake, snakes. Singular plural, bee, bees. Just add s with b to make it plural. Eyes. Rose, roses. Tree, trees. Bottle, bottles. Pencil, pencils. Sticker, stickers. Boat, boats. River, rivers. Chair, chairs. So this is rule number 1. We just add s with the words to make the plural. Plural rule number 1. Most words add s to make the plural, as we read before. Apple, apples. Desk, desk. Name, names. Town, towns. Card, cards. Teacher, teachers. Park, parks. Month, months. Truck, trucks. Bird, and the plural is birds. Broom, brooms. Camel, camels, desk, desks, doll, dolls, egg, eggs, flower, flowers, fork, forks, game, games, lamp, lamps, nest, nests, pen, pens, photo, photos, shirt and shirts. So these are those singular plural in which we add just as to make the plural. Now the plural rule number 2. Add es to words ending in ch, sh, s and double s, x or z to make the plural. The words which ends with ch, sh, s, double s, x or z, we add with these words es to make them plural. One box, you can see this word is ending with x, so we will write here es. One box, many boxes. Wish, it is ending with sh, so we add es with sh. Wish, wishes. Cross, crosses. Bus, buses. Dish, dishes. Fox, foxes. Beach, beaches. Waltz, waltzes. Crunch, crunches. Loss, losses. Bunch, bunches. Patch, patches. Batch, batches. Glass, glasses. Bunch, bunches. Catch, cats. Inch, inches. Torch, torches. Gas, gases. Class, classes. Loss, losses. Brush, brushes. Dish, dishes. Box, boxes. Wish, wishes. Peach, peeps. Peach, peaches. Bench, benches. Kiss, kisses. Branch, branches. Church, churches. Match, matches. Watch, watches. Asses. Dress, dresses. Ash, ashes. Bush, bushes. Folks, foxes. Bus, buses. Pitch, pitches. You can see all these words are ending with these letters ch, sh, s, double s, x and z. So that's why we add with these words es to make them plural. So don't forget about the rule number 2. Plural rule number 2. Add es to words ending in ch, sh, s, double s, x or z to make the plural. One box, many boxes. Beach, beaches. Fox, foxes. Cross, crosses. Pitch, pitches. Wish, wishes. Bus, buses. Waltz, waltzes. Hutch, hutches. Eye, eyes. Here you can see the word is ending with e. So we just add s with them. Eyes. Plate, it is ending with e. So we write here plates. Just add s to make it plural. Church, it is ended with ch. Church. And when the word, which word is ended with ch, we have to add them es to make it plural. Box, it is ended with x. So you remember the rule number 2. The word which ends with x, we add es. So box, boxes. Knife, knives. In which word the word ended with fe, we will write there ve. Knife and add s to make it plural. Knife, knives. Key, keys. Baby, it is ended with y. So when the letter which is ended with y, we have to write it ies. Babies, potato, Potatoes. It is ended with O, so we will write here ES. Potatoes. Piano, pianos. Bus, buses. Recap and consolidation. The easiest way to learn how to spell a word is to practice. Spelling rules are helpful, but practice makes perfect. Spelling rules are helpful, but practice makes perfect. Once you learn how to spell a word, you will not forget how to spell it as long as you practice. So these are the rules which you learn in this lesson, so don't forget about the rules, rule number 1 and 2, and do practice of all these and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.